Well, good morning. I'm so excited to go to the beach, especially because it's with my sister, Teagn. Let's go change. Oh, isn't that perfecto?
Today is going to be awesome. Let's just get out of bed first. I'm gonna make some food. I'm just gonna wait for my sister Lila.
Oh, hi, sis.
Hey,
I'm gonna change into my swim clothes. Awesome.
I'll do blue today and tie my hair into a bun. Well, I changed my mind about the hair.
I'm so excited. What about you, Teagn?
I'm excited too. Yay, we're here. Oh, hey sis.
Hi. Let's go on the kayak.
Okay.
I can't believe Teagn doesn't want to go tan. It's so sunny and nice here.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm gonna get out now. Hey sis, what are you doing here?
Oh, nothing, just watching the view. Let's go eat.
Okay. Oh, finally, I'm so tired. It has been a long day. Did you enjoy, Teagn?
Of course. I love today.
Let's show her. Great.